Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best rolling PC stands that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the BYMECOST Adjustable Computer Tower Stand. This product is designed with a focus on functionality and compactness, making it a solid choice for small spaces. Its adjustable width ranges between 7.87 and 11.81 inches, offering compatibility with most PC towers on the market. The hollow base design is a standout feature, promoting excellent ventilation to keep your computer cool and free from dust accumulation. When it comes to build quality, the BYMECOST stand utilizes an upgraded PP material faceplate combined with a sturdy metal lever. It's lightweight at only 1.56 pounds, yet it supports up to 66 pounds of weight. The stand also features 4 universal caster wheels, 2 of which can lock for stability. Assembly is tool-free and effortless, making it user-friendly for beginners. While it isn't the most robust option on this list, the BYMECOST stand is ideal for those looking for a budget-friendly, simple solution. However, the lack of premium materials and additional features like side railings or height adjustments means it may not meet the needs of more advanced users. Overall, it's a practical, no-frills option for gamers or office workers on a tight budget. Pros: lightweight, good ventilation, easy to assemble. Cons: limited load capacity, basic design. Coming in at number 4 is the EYRE Computer Tower Stand. This product is a unique entry on our list, thanks to its integrated charging station that includes 2 120-volt 12-amp sockets and 2 USB ports. This feature allows you to power additional devices like laptops, smartphones, and even desk lamps. It also doubles as a side table, making it an excellent choice for multifunctional setups. The stand boasts a robust wooden construction with 10 adjustable height levels, ranging from 23.03 to 28.3 inches. This flexibility makes it perfect for aligning with your desk height, ensuring ergonomic comfort whether you're working or gaming. It has a load capacity of 140 pounds, which is significantly higher than most competitors. The 4 caster wheels include 2 with brakes, ensuring smooth mobility and stability. While the EYRE stand excels in versatility, it's not without its drawbacks. The wood material, while sturdy, adds to the overall weight of the product, 12.19 pounds, making it less portable. Additionally, the higher price point may deter budget-conscious buyers. However, if you're looking for a premium, multifunctional stand that blends utility and style, this is a fantastic option. Pros: integrated charging station, high load capacity, adjustable height. Cons: heavier design, higher price. At number 3, the YOSE Adjustable Mobile CPU Stand offers an excellent balance between utility and affordability. Its practical design includes protective railings on both sides to keep your PC tower secure during movement. The stand is equipped with 4 360-degree rotating wheels, 2 of which are lockable, making it highly mobile yet stable when needed. This product is constructed from high-quality metal steel pipes and an upgraded PS panel, ensuring durability and a load capacity of up to 88 pounds. The perforated base promotes airflow, keeping your computer cool and reducing the risk of overheating. It also features an adjustable width, 7.87 to 11.81 inches, and a fixed length of 15.75 inches, making it suitable for a wide range of PC towers. While the YOSE stand is a sturdy and reliable option, its fixed length might be a limitation for users with larger setups. Additionally, assembly is required, which could be a minor inconvenience for some. However, its combination of affordability, mobility, and heat dissipation features make it a great choice for gamers and students alike. Pros: sturdy build, excellent ventilation, secure railings. Cons: fixed length, assembly required. In second place, we have the YOSE Computer Tower Stand. This product stands out for its sleek design and premium build quality, crafted from high-quality alloy steel and ABS materials. The polished surface adds a modern touch, while its adjustable size, length 16.3 to 21 inches, width 8.8 to 13.4 inches, ensures compatibility with a variety of PC towers. The YOSE stand features 4 caster wheels for easy mobility, 2 of which are lockable to keep your setup secure. Its elevated design keeps your PC off the floor, reducing dust accumulation and improving airflow. This makes it an excellent choice for users with carpeted floors. Additionally, YOSE offers responsive customer support, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. The only downside to the YOSE stand is its slightly higher price compared to simpler models. However, its combination of durability, elegance, and functionality makes it well worth the investment. It's particularly suited for gamers or professionals seeking a stylish and reliable solution. Pros: premium materials, modern design, excellent mobility. Cons: higher price. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the Liitrton mobile CPU stand. This product combines versatility, durability, and user-friendly features, making it the best overall choice. Its adjustable dimensions, length 16.93 to 22.44 inches, width 9.06 to 14.57 inches, allow it to accommodate most PC towers on the market. The 4 360-degree rotating caster wheels, 2 of which are lockable, provide excellent mobility and stability. Constructed from high-grade steel and ABS materials, the Liitrton stand offers a strong load-bearing capacity. Its non-slip surface ensures that your PC tower stays securely in place, while the elevated design promotes heat dissipation and keeps your computer clean. Weighing only 1.43 pounds, it's lightweight, yet incredibly sturdy, making it easy to move around as needed. With a user rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars and over 3,500 reviews. The Liitrton stand is a proven favorite among consumers. It's suitable for a wide range of use cases, from office setups to gaming stations. While it doesn't have extra features like a charging station, its well-rounded design and performance make it unbeatable for the price. Pros: adjustable dimensions, sturdy build, great mobility. Cons: lacks advanced features. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.